If you've ever wondered how to print a OneNote note page without it coming out messy, cut off, or hard to read, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to print OneNote note pages step by step, including the best settings to use so your notes fit properly on the page. This is a really useful trick whether you want a hard copy for class, work, meetings, or simply to save your notes as a PDF. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open OneNote and navigate to the exact page you want to print. You can do this from your notebook list on the left side, then click the page so it opens in the main window. Before you print, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct note page, because OneNote will print whatever is currently open. Once you've got the right page on screen, go up to the top left corner and click File. From the File menu, select Print. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl and P on your keyboard to open the print options faster. After that, OneNote will bring up the Print Preview panel. This is an important step because it lets you see how your notes will appear before you actually print them. Click the Print Preview button to open the configuration window. Now you'll see a few settings that can make a big difference in how your notes come out. Start with Print Range. Here you can choose Current Page if you only want the page you're viewing, Current Section if you want every page in that section, or Current Notebook if you want a larger batch of notes printed all at once. Pick the option that matches what you need. Next, check paper size. You can choose letter, A4, or another size depending on your printer and your region. This matters because OneNote uses an infinite canvas, and matching the paper size helps avoid awkward formatting issues. After that, look for footer and headers. If you want a cleaner printout, you can turn page numbers and titles off. If you want your pages organized and easier to identify later, leave them on. It really depends on how you plan to use the printed notes. One of the most important settings is Scale to Fit. Make sure you check the Scale to Fit page width box. This helps force OneNote's wide, freeform canvas onto standard paper without splitting your notes awkwardly across pages. If you skip this step, your printout may look broken or cropped, especially if your notes extend far across the page. Once your settings look good, take one more quick look at the preview and make sure everything is readable. If the text appears too small, you may want to adjust the layout or simplify the note before printing. When you're ready, click Print. Then choose your physical printer if you want a paper copy, or select Microsoft Print to PDF if you want to save the note as a PDF file instead. Finally, click Print again to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully printed your OneNote note page. It's a simple process once you know where the settings are, and using the Print Preview plus Scale to Fit option can make a huge difference in the final result. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more OneNote tutorials or other software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.